Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Chrome. Open the three-dot menu and choose Settings. This jumps you straight to Controls. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct profile so changes don't get overwritten by sync. Next, navigate to Appearance and Homepage. These are the two places that most homepage search bars live. You're acting now will disable the visible elements instead of changing search engines, so follow each step directly and don't skip verifying the active profile. Now you remove the search bar itself. First, toggle off the Home button and change the home page to a blank page or a custom URL. This kills one source of the bar. Then, open Extensions and disable any toolbars or search widgets. These often inject a persistent bar. Make sure to check New Tab Page Settings too, because some extensions only appear there. You're aiming to eliminate both built-in and extension-driven bars, so methodically disable each suspect and finish by restarting Chrome. Many interface changes need a relaunch. If the bar still shows, clear cache and cookies to remove leftover UI elements, then check again. As a last resort, reset Chrome settings to default. This removes stubborn toolbars and restores pages. If you use sync and the unwanted bar returns, sign out of your account or disable sync for extensions and settings, then remove the culprit extension on the original device. One key tip: always check extensions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.